computers and part 2 computers. Already I have make a video on it. If you didn't see that video because in that video also you are going to gain so much information, and this is part 3 computers, all about computers you will know in this video. Computer basic knowledge you will know in this video. That's why subscribe to this video. You can hit the bell icon to see more informative videos, not listening videos, only informative videos. So without doing any more time waste, let's start this video. No drama, no studies, yes, only creativity and knowledge. So hi guys, this is Arman and welcome back to my YouTube channel Information Zone. First of all, let's know a few of the information related to computers. When you will learn computer, it is hard to learn computer, but when you learn computer completely, you will think how it is easy to learn computer. Just when I am learning how to use computer, I'm thinking that it is hard to learn computer. Like this you will think. Sure, like this you will think. I will show you laptop and computer. So let's begin to our laptop and computer, guys. Laptop and computer. So meet you in laptop and computer. This is my laptop. As you can see, this is my Dell laptop. You can buy Lenovo, HP, or another laptop also you can buy, Acer, but according to me the Dell is better laptop. So now let's know how to charge a laptop. To use a laptop, you need to charge a laptop. If in your laptop there is no charging, you cannot use, but if the charging is full, you can use. So let's check my laptop charging. Okay, so in my laptop there is 41% charging. Now I will show you how to charge a laptop. You will get one charger when you will buy a laptop. Like this charger you will get. So I will show you. First of all, this you have to attach from here like this. So like this one, this charger cable you have to attach over here. So like this you can charge your laptop. This is separate charging port you will get to charge your laptop. Now let's know how you will know that your laptop is charging or not. When you will so like this option you will get when the laptop is charging. When you will disconnect the charger with the charging port, it will show like this. When you will connect, it will show like this, as you can see. So this is like this you can charge your laptop. This is a few knowledge you gain about laptop. These USB ports you will get, and CD also like this you can click and attach. Wireless mouse, wide mouse. If you will use wide mouse, so how you can use wide mouse with your laptop? First I will show you wide mouse. This is wide mouse. You can see there are two types of mouse: wireless mouse and wide mouse. Wireless and wide. So here this is wide mouse. Just nothing you have to do. You will get one cable. I will show you this. Like this cable you will get. This cable you have to attach from USB port like this. Now you can use wired mouse with your laptop. See, I'm not using touchpad, I'm using mouse over here. So that's better, guys. Now let's cut. Now the wide mouse is not attached with USB cable. Now we have to use with our touchpad. You can use touchpad or wide mouse or wireless mouse. Now let's know how we can use wireless mouse. This is wireless mouse, as you can see, and in the back you will get a one receiver. You have to take this receiver and you have to attach with the USB port. I will attach. Okay. So now I can use my mouse, a wireless mouse with laptop, but you will get on button. You have to on. Now I can use. As you can see, I'm not using touchpad. So now it is off. Now I cannot use wireless mouse with my laptop. Okay, now some of the basic knowledge we know about laptop. Let's begin to our computer. This is a computer. As you can see, this is a computer. With computer you will get CPU, monitor, keyboard. So how you can use wide or wireless mouse with your computer? This is a wired mouse. Just nothing you have to do. This is cable you have to attach with your CPU. Now you can use, okay? See, now you can use your wireless mouse with your wide mouse with your computer. You can use now wide mouse with your computer. Now let's know how you will use wireless mouse with your computer. This is your wireless mouse. For example, take receiver, attach from the CPU. I don't know. No signal found. So I attach receiver with the CPU. This you can see this. Now I can use my wireless mouse with my computer. I'll show you. So like this you can use your wireless mouse with computer. Okay, so now let's know how you can use your wireless sorry now you learn how to use wireless mouse with computer. Now let's know how to use wired keyboard with computer. So this is my wired keyboard and this is wireless. I unbox, link I will give in description. This keyboard only I unbox, link I will give in description. So this is a wired keyboard. Here like this cable you will get, you have to attach with your CPU. Now you can use your wired keyboard with your computer. I'll show you. You can use like this. So guys, you know few of the basic information related to computer. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more informative videos and learning videos. See you in next amazing